Yeah, but first I want to get a piece of plastic from upstairs.
Okay. 9:42 a.m. I'm at the parking lot where we have Murray's car. Larry's trying to negotiate. And we're going to pick up his car. Nice car.
Well, yeah, things that you can handle that are light by yourself, because I got several other people coming, and that way there'll be an assembly line. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, have you up there, and me up there, and then one guy on the steps, one guy handing it to somebody, another person putting it on the floor, you know? Oh, we'll see, right? Okay, thank you.
Wow, talking about being close. My God, it's like you could roll over here.
Penske is right next to the car wash, right?
Brand new truck, 1,200 miles on it. Brand new, no scratch marks on the side. Wow, look at all they did.
I gave her all the white stuff.
And her and
the mattress cover is in the washer. He needs to go to trial. So there's your strap. It's got a great strap.
wait a minute.
Mark, see that other car?
Yeah,
You can bring that in there and start putting boxes on it.
right.
We'll go downstairs.
Okay.
That's a tough one. That's heavy. I know. The recliner in that chair right there? What's that? Just recliner. On the left is a little
with us. Let's take this big obnoxious one.
It's going on 2 o'clock. What time is it now?
It's about 1.
1?
It's about 1.
Oh, okay. It's going on 2 o'clock. What time is it now?
It's about 1.
1?
It's about 1.
Oh, okay.
recliner.
The recliner?
And that little table to the right that's got the notes on it, and you can put the table. You can put it on that other table. The recliner.
Yeah. And then these two tables?
Or just the one?
One table.
Just this like marble top table.
Okay, step coming up, Rich.
Step.
There you got it. There you go. Eggshell. 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 Wait a minute. Ooh. Okay. Okay.
Dolly, back by the elevator.
Did anybody see Blue sitting on the bed?
1:55 p.m. We're at the bitter end. Loading shit in. We still got all this to put in there. Yeah, I got it. I'm on my back. Well, want me to close it? I'll leave it open. There's probably more bullshit to go in. So there we are. Just made it.
Just made it, Larry.
Wow.
Just fucking made it.
Look, Larry, if you got it any smaller, how big is this truck? 16?
Yeah. Veronica's gonna freak out.
Was out here like my brother went through right here.
Well, two o'clock, just in time for our permit. Holy shit, that's a lot of shit.
Notes over there for the TV, which I don't have. The American flag.
So you're gonna come back in here and clean it, right?
Yeah, no, leave the door.
I'm not doing anything with it. the Bible, okay? I'll work on it, but not right now. I'm a little busy. All right. You got a ticket?
Yeah, for 5 minutes over for $76.
5 minutes over, those motherfuckers. That's just not right.
The Bible, okay?
I'll work on it, but not right now. I'm a little busy. All right. You got a ticket?
Yeah, for 5 minutes over for $76.
5 minutes over, those motherfuckers. That's just not right.
For something Hill?
Yeah, I can look it up.
All right.
Keep going. Keep going. Okay, straight. Just keep. Don't go backwards. Don't go backwards. Okay? Good. That's fine. Straight. Good. That's good. Let's go. Little yum yum before at the Oregon Diner. 2:45 p.m.